Hi, this is Jack from Perlove Medical, and we are a X-ray machine manufacturer. I'm here in our showroom, and in this video, we're going to show you our machines, our product lines, and as well as a short company introduction. So we are Nanjing Perlove Medical, and we're focused on X-ray machines such as C-arm, mobile C-arm X-ray machine that can be used in surgery, DR, including mobile DR like these, and the static DR, which stationary DR, and the DR that has fluoroscopy function and DRF system. And later we'll show that, as well as mammography machines and dental CBCT. We're here in Nanjing, and in Nanjing we have a factory just nearby. Outside this building, there is another building. There is a factory. We have another factory in Zhuhai, which is near Shenzhen, in Guangzhou, and we have two factories that produce these machines, and annual production capacity is reaching over 10,000 sets. In terms of the X-ray machine, our company is established in 2003, and we have been focusing on X-ray machine for 21 years. And so it's fair to say that in the X-ray machine industry, we're the most professional company in China, and we're also the national standard setter. Together with Siemens, we make the X-ray machine standard in China. So if you want to cooperate with X-ray machine manufacturer in China, we are the first choice. So here is our mobile DR, the 3 sets. This is 25 kilowatts. Here is 50 kilowatts and 65.5 kilowatts. These mobile DR system, they are mobile, and they have high mobility. They can be moved around very easily. There's a switch here that we can hold, and the machine can move forward very easily. And this is the touch screen on which we can have all kinds of functions like drag and rotate, and adjustment in brightness, etc. And here is the position where we put the panel, and there's a slot for small panel that is for children, for a small area of radiography. And this is the collimator. It shows the parameter, it shows the SID, and it has a automatic sensing. It has a sensor that can sense the SID. Once we put the panel here, it can sense the SID, and we can see the other parameters here. And here are some control buttons. We just need to push this button and hold it. It can rotate. The whole column can rotate, and the collimator can also switch from -90 to +90 degree, and the column itself can rotate from -270 degree to +270 degrees. So it's very flexible, and it's very easy to move, and it has high power. This one has the same function as this one. They have the same range of movement, very large movement, but this one, the kilowatts is higher, and both of them, they both have 2 batteries inside the system. One for the mobility, for rolling the machine. The other is a super battery for radiography, for exposure. Here we have a row of C-arm X-ray machines, mobile C-arm X-ray machine. They are for surgery. We have this model, for example. This is a model with touchscreen, and all the operations, all the movement can be done here. here's the large size screen, and this is a C-arm. The range of movement is very large. It's very flexible too, and it can perform 5 ways of movement, including up and down, electrical movement, up and down. Just press the button, it will automatically move up and down, and forward and backward for 200 millimeter. And this C-arm can slide along the orbit, can slide along here for 135 degrees. It can rotate around this horizontal axis for minus and plus 180 degree, and it can swing for 15 degrees, minus plus 15 degrees, etc. And they are pretty advanced. We have pretty advanced models, including 3D C-arm X-ray machine that can provide a 3D model that we can rotate on the screen. For example, this is a structure of the vertebrae, cervical vertebrae. As you can see, after scanning, the scan area is 18 by 18, about 18 centimeter. 3D structure. It's very easy, can be very easily observed. And this is the 3D C-arm. Now on the market, the most popular one is still the image intensifier, because it is less expensive. We also have that. Then we come to DR. This is a U-arm DR. For stationary DR, we have U-arm DR and double column DR, which is also called table DR. This U-arm DR is it has a very large panel, 17 by 36 inch. Very large panel. It can scan the whole spine without having to stitch the image, and all the configurations can be shown here. You can see there is our preset parameters that we can just click and can rotate to the correct position. You can see the SID here. It reaches up to 195 centimeter. That is over 180 centimeter. And we have 50 kilowatts and higher kilowatts. This is UARM DR. And here is the control panel of different DR system. As you can see, we have the this one here is for DRF system. All of them are touchscreen. We will come to that later, and it shows a very clear image on the screen. Very little details can be shown, can be seen. And this is a table DR that we have. This one is 7900 series. This is radiography and fluoroscopy, both in one machine. It has 2 panels, one on the chest stand, the other on the table. It has it is a elevating table that is capable of lifting up and down for 220 millimeter. And the movement range of this machine is also very incredible. For example, the tube column can move forward and backward. The longitudinal movement range is 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter, that is very long. And the tube column itself can rotate from can rotate 180 degree, minus and plus. And this table is a 4-way floating table. The lateral movement range is 260 millimeter. The longitudinal movement range of this table is 1 meter, and the movement range for the panel holder under the table is 50 centimeter. On the chest stand, the panel holder, the movement range of the panel holder is 1.5 meter, and this is way more than 1.8 meter SID, and this this collimator, this X-ray head can move over the table. It can drop down to a pretty low position, as low as 350 millimeter. That means we can do low position radiography. And the biggest feature of this machine is fluoroscopy. It can do it can show the dynamic image of the structure, so that doctors in some scenarios, doctors can preview the image and then find a right angle to get the radiography done. And this is also a acrylic stand. This is a stand for examination. Also, we have a stitching function. The chest stand can move up and down, and it can track, the collimator can track, the X-ray head can track the movement of the chest of the holder up and down, and it has DAP function and it has AEC function, and the two-way tracking for the holder and the X-ray head. And this is the table DR. We have several series from 50 kilowatts to 65.5 kilowatts to 84 kilowatts. So that's a wide range. And this is, let's pull closer. This is the touchscreen. Human graphic interface and all kinds of parameters to be adjusted here. And here we have the DRF system. It's a pretty advanced system that we have been selling popular in European country. And this machine integrates radiography, fluoroscopy, gastrointestinal imaging, and other imaging examinations in a single unit, including angiography. As you can see, this bed, all of the bed weight capacity 200 kilogram, and this bed as well. It can rotate. It can rotate 90 degree, plus 90 degree, and minus 90 degree. So it is all from here. As you can see, this is moving up and moving down, and it is rotating to here. It can rotate to minus 90 degree. Let's rotate it back. It can also do this. So it's a very flexible movement. Let's get it back to the position. Okay, now it's level, and here shows the SID. We use the Canon tube here. We use 84 kilowatts, high voltage generator, 500 kilohertz, 1000 milliamperes. Very high configuration even for DRF system. This is the DRF and very flexible movement, and we're selling in EU countries. It's one of the important direction for future X-ray machines. Yeah, and in terms of DR, and I think this one is more likely for us to cooperate in the on the market for hospitals to accept this kind of machine. We have many installation cases in Nigeria, and if they want to visit a hospital that has our machines, we can invite them to visit the hospital. Yeah.